We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1979 Ford F150 Ranger XLT, big block 400, 4x4, factory air, power steering, power disc brakes, rotisserie restoration, frame off. Nice attention to detail. Strong running motor. You'll find about 75 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. www.westportautocenter.com. Love these stripes on it. Got the 5-slot aluminum wheels. Paint is very nice on it. Looks like to be a newer grill insert, newer bumper. Looks like original bezel on the front. Little patina, but still showing pretty darn nice. Dirty from all the garbage, snow and stuff we had lately. Super nice. If you'd like to fly in and check this out in person, Lambert International, St. Louis International, one and the same. Forward us your flight itinerary. Be more than happy to pick you up. Come to any one of our 3 warehouses. Check out any truck, car, SUV, muscle car. Put it up on a lift, take it out for a ride, make sure it's a good fit. Just a nice attention to detail on this. Want to pick up the phone and talk to me in person? My name's Mark, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Glove box light works. Just a nice unit. Super nicely done. Bumpers like new. Kind of cold out here today. Got a couple inch lift on it. Just nicely done. BF Goodrich raised white letters. Big window. A nice truck. Underneath this, that's just nicely done. nice aftermarket steering wheel, nice touch to it. Showing 63,737 miles. Nice interior. Take this bad boy for a spin. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find about 75 pictures, detailed pictures. Please like, subscribe to the channel, share the video, help us grow the channel. Any comments, feedbacks you have, good, bad, leave it below. Appreciate any input. It's got the big block 400 in it. Factory air. It's got an upgraded Alpine sound system with speakers. Power disc brakes, power steering, again factory air, 4x4. 79, arguably one of the best, if not the best year for the 70s Ford trucks. Paint is nice, got a nice shine, great fit and finish on the truck as far as the panels, alignment. Dash is all nice. Blinkers work. Lights are working. Got my door open. There we go. Great running and driving truck. Gear works on it. So 314-346-6039. These don't last long. We get calls about them all the time. www.westportautocenter.com. www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis, Missouri. Fly in, pick you up, take it to our warehouse, put it up on a lift, take it for a ride. Make sure it's a good fit. Thanks for watching. Bye.